हे गाइस, सो देख लिया टीवी, देख लिया मोबाइल, देख ली सारी न्यूज़, हो गया डिप्रेस। करने को कुछ और है नहीं, ऑफिस का काम भी था, लिमिटेड सारा काम वो भी हो गया। So in this video I'm going to share the 10 interesting and important things which you can do at home without investing any amount of money, which will give you more happiness and you will definitely learn something and that will be helpful for your entire life, guys, trust me. And ये 10 में से 5 चीज़ें तो I can guarantee that definitely anyone can use, irrespective of your age, your gender. You can use that thing, that is my guarantee. So please keep watching this video till end. And if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'm Irfan Sheikh, my channel name is Let's Do It. So शुरू करते हैं शुरुआत से. So first and foremost thing that you can stay fit and you can do some basic exercise at home without any equipment. Warm up and stretching is always important to start with any kind of exercise. After stretching, you can do some basic exercise like free squats, you can do dips, you can go for Surya Namaskar, or you can do for yoga as well. You can keep the fitness music on and you can hit some push-ups or some one-arm push-ups, which I have tried. And abs, definitely it is going to help you to reduce your belly fat. To have a good health, you can plan your meal, you can decide that what you want to cook as per your required taste and energy level, and all recipes are available on YouTube.
Sprinkle a little bit of salt on top. After sprinkling the salt, we will add in the cheese on top.
So even after following that recipe online, this was my first bread, but later on I got better and I cooked some good garlic bread and French toast. And for my light dinner, I prepared upma. So this is one of the things to kill your time when you are in self-isolation. Show you how to maintain the indoor plants at home, which is require very minimum maintenance, but it will serve or it will enhance your decorum of your house and it will give you the fresh oxygen. That is what the most important thing. And for that you need some of the things like newspaper. बाद में रूम गंदा नहीं हो वरना आपको ही साफ करना पड़ेगा. And you need water to give the plants. You need spray phus for plants to make look fresh and healthy all the time, and small duster or cloth to wipe up the leaf of the plant, and small scissor to cut the old, damaged or yellow leaves. Recently I have bought couple of new and fresh plants. One is Dracaena lemon line and second one is my all-time favorite Calathea inci. And now we have to do the basic and general maintenance of the indoor plant. First we have to wipe out the leaves and then you have to add some fertilizer or fresh soil to grow the plant, and then you have to add the water surrounding the pots. And you can entertain yourself by using funny app like Dubsmash and TikTok. So reading is also the one of the important thing. To be very honest, I am not good in that, and I read very few books. You can see in my small library I have very limited books. As of now I am reading 2 books, and which is really interesting because actually I have my personal interest in real estate. So I'm reading this book by Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, the real book of real estate. And the second book I'm reading at the simultaneously same time because I really get bored if I'm reading the one book for a long time. It's like My Vision by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Reading book is one of the best option to not kill your time, at least to utilize your time in a good way. And in the evening you can spend some time in your lawn or in your balcony to get some fresh air and enjoy the sunset. And don't forget to prepare your tea or coffee by yourself. And there is always a good time for charity. You can prepare one donation box and you can remove or take out the things which we have not used for a long time, or it is not in use. And that might be very useful for the needy. Like just in 20 minutes, I have finished this work, and this bag is ready for giveaway. During your free time, that you can clear your inbox. Yes, actually, you know that most of the people are getting so many emails in their inbox, but they don't clear it. They just keep it there, and because of this, sometimes we miss some of the important and urgent emails also. So I have decided to clear my inbox, and now from 565 emails to I came down to 31. In addition to that, you can streamline your monthly bill paying. You can set your credit card limit, or you can have that automated deduction facilities from your account for your different contractor, or for your electricity and water or telecom services. So that will make your life very easy, and that will really help you to keep your monthly budget in well control. Or if you have not saved properly of your last trip, or any of your memorable occasions which you have done last time, you have all the pictures and videos either in your phone or your memory card or in your laptop. You can stack them in a separate folder, so that will going to really help you if you want to upload that on YouTube, or you have to just save it as a great memory. So this is also one of the important thing to play with friends, and if your friends are not there, then you can play the games with online, and especially it will make you very happy, especially when you win. So today I came second in Ludo, Wasim came first, and Javed came third, and I will show you one loser today.
So this is the loser.
This is the loser, and we are giving him jada namak ka thaiली and garam pani क्योंकि आज जावेद ने बहुत पटके दिया इसको. But this is also one of the very good thing you can do at home. You can play online games, and you can play indoor games. And like now we are going to play the carom. So Pawan, let's play carom.
Okay. So this time also I'll lose again.
Hey guys, so last thing I can tell you that you can do the deep cleaning of your house by moving the heavy furniture, because you will be having a more member in your house because of that lockdown. And you can do the deep cleaning of your car as well. And more importantly, you can wash or clean your traveling bag or sacks, or like a backpack generally you're taking on a shoulder, because most of the time in the traveling it gets dirty and we always try to dump in the corner of the house and we don't wash that. The last important thing that you can subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So please subscribe and like and share if you think it's really worth. And see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye. Masalam.